If you're a teen or student interested in investing, Moomoo is a powerful platform, but there are age restrictions to consider. To open a Moomoo account, you must be at least 18 years old. Moomoo does not offer custodial accounts for minors, so if you're under 18, you won't be able to open an account on your own. However, if you are an international student studying in the US, Moomoo has a special promotion. You can verify your student status using your school email, and upon making your first deposit, receive two commission cards. Each card can refund up to $5,000 in commission fees over 4 years, one for US stocks and ETFs, and another for US options, excluding index options, though. For students under 18, consider platforms like Charles Schwab, which offer custodial accounts for minors, allowing you to start investing with a parent or guardian as the account holder. If you found this information really helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.